That's the dogs playing. Ooh, lightning. Okay, I'm going to show you how the dogs play. Okay, so much for that. Sorry. Oops, lost my balance. Okay, back to the good stuff. School just got out, so there's a lot of traffic. Normally you wouldn't hear cars passing at all. Runt! No! Oh my god. He was pulling up the carpet. Let me just take the opportunity to tell you, we have no Starbucks here. I actually found a good Mexican restaurant, which is really hard to do in Kentucky, especially where I live. There's, like, the big store here is Walmart. Like, everybody goes to Walmart. There's no shopping centers, there's no Starbucks. I miss Starbucks so bad. Just saying. What else? I miss the kids. God, I miss the kids so bad. It's so green here. Like, really deep, deep green. You can't tell right now because the rain's blocking it, but... Oh, and this is how far we are from our neighbor. I can't see into their bathroom, unlike, California, where you're being watched every 5 minutes. Oh, I sound like a crazy person, but it's true. I don't know what else to tell you. There's no Chipotle here, which really sucks. What else is missing? We have no Panda Express or any kind of Chinese food, except for the kind that you don't want to eat. You know what I'm saying? Oh, everyone smokes. I mean, oh God, it's horrible. I mean, like, constantly smoke. It's nasty. I'm just saying. Let me put it back in here so you don't have to look at the fence. Damn it. This has been going on for like an hour. How long has it been since we had an hour-long rain in California? Oh, the trash is different here. They don't have those big trucks that that scoop up the trash and put it in the back. They have actual people on a large truck come and pick up the trash, lift the trash and put it in the trash truck, I guess. It's bizarre. And there's a lot of littering here, which I don't like. But the littering is not where you can see it. The littering is actually in the creek. They put like toilets in there. There's a kids play toy. Oh, there's like just like trash. Why would anybody trash a creek? I don't get it. I mean, people play in the creek, and I don't think I'm okay with knowing there's a toilet that's been thrown in there. Okay, when the rain first started, there was a horrible thunder clap that was unbearable. I don't know how to describe it. It is very loud, and I don't think it can be recreated. Or maybe like, I don't know. Okay, so when it first started raining, it was cold rain. And now it's warm rain. It was about 88 this morning. Oh, look, it's raining more. And then the first time it started to rain, it turned to like 70 or 60, something like that. I mean, it dropped. And now it's warm again with the rain. And humid. Very, very humid. Alright, let's see if I can do this. A round view here. Ow, my fingers. Alright, so it starts here. Let me just, you can see. Beaver's house. Cute barn. Green, 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 green. Okay, my battery's dying, so sorry, I gotta go. I'm gonna plug it in. I don't think it'll stretch over here. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.